Hello everybody, how's everyone doing? I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also comment down below. I don't know, share your ideas, share what you think about this video. Hey, maybe because of your idea, I'll make a video. But hey, today we're doing our first ever unboxing video. Enjoy. Alright, so today what we are doing is we have a box here from a car parts carrying a car care product called Proje. So this is a Proje ceramic coating unboxing that we're doing. Here we go. Alright, so we open up the box. The first thing comes out is this wrapper. Oh, look what we got. We got a decal here that we can put on our car. That's pretty cool. So I don't know if you can see it, but we got a decal that we can put on our car. Okay, set that aside. Next, we got, let's see here, some nice pads to apply the ceramic coating with. We also got the nozzles. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pads on here. Alright, here is the prep spray. Here's the, hold on. Here's the quick coat. And here's the ceramic spray coating. Here's some towels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 towels. Also, I got a card. Here, where I can get discounted items. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. So next up is the next couple of videos. I'm gonna show you guys what I think of this product. So yeah, we got 6 microfiber towels, 2 applicator pads, a decal, and a discount card, and 3 nozzles, a prep spray, a quick coat, and a ceramic spray coating. So this is Proje or Proje, whatever it's called. So yeah, I'll do a review on the product next. I went. This right here is the Car Enthusiast pack. I bought it for half off, and yes, I am relaunching my car detailing side hustle. So I'll be opening that after I test this product and see what goes on next. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna have a link in my description down below for the Car Enthusiast pack from Proje. Like I said, I will be doing a review on this product later on to see how it works. I will be combining it with hydrosilix because hydrosilix you can actually use on top and see how this coating actually works. But yeah, sorry if the quality of the video is not good. This is my first time doing an unboxing video. Other than that, take care guys and peace out, and I hope you have a good day.